Now, what is SAAS? Storage as a service. In my case, in my laptop, lot of critical data is there. So what will happen if my hard disk is going to get corrupted, or somebody is going to steal the laptop? Then all data will be gone. So these days, what we do, we store our data in the cloud. It could be Google Cloud, it could be your Dropbox. That means we are going to store our data on the cloud. So if we are going to lose our local device, what will happen? Nothing will happen, because your data is stored in the cloud. The other advantage of storing your data in the cloud is that you can share that the data that is in cloud with other person. Plus you can collaborate also. That means, suppose I have got one doc file is there, or if I am writing some book chapter, I want the other the person's contribution also. So I can share with the write permission or edit permission. The other persons can also collaborate. So lot of advantages are there. So Google Drive is example of storage as a service, and then your this Dropbox is also your example of storage as a service. We will be going into greater detail when we will be doing the practicals on AWS. We will be looking this storage as a service in greater detail.